sa bago naming tambayan. Bagong tambayan. Naging tambayan bigla. Pero kasi itong spot dito sa Vista Mall sa Lasma, yung bread basket. So yun. Na-try na namin yung cronuts nila from before, the choco cronuts. And we are back for more. In fairness, we were captivated with the menu, with the ambience. Sobrang ganda ng ambience. Ang relaxing. As you can see, may mga basket pang nakasabit with all the plants right there. Ang ganda lang talaga ng feel ng cafe. It feels like you can, you know, spend intimate time. Yan. And naghihintay lang kami ng order for now. And it's gonna be a quite. It's light meal lang. Light lang na, na date. Ayun lang. Antayin natin yung order. I have a few clips nung pinaka-shop and I am loving it. Ang lawak ng lugar. Tapos dito, meron siyang tagos to Dear Joe na cafe. So, ang nice. It sort of, blends together in a sense na pareho silang puro mahalaman. Pero I think mas mahalaman dun sa Dear Joe. Hindi ko pa na-try yung coffee nila. But yun. It's gabi na, so we're really not going for coffee. Mga lang, light snacks lang for today. Food is here. The shiitake dip, something. It's a little heavy. And itong cronuts. And we're having lime soda for tonight kasi gabi na. So no caffeine na muna. Ayun na. Let's eat. Itong shiitake black truffle, it's for 365, and then cronut, it's 145. Tapos yung drinks 295. Ayan, it's a little bit pricey, I dare say, but maybe it's worth it. dolls, andito lumabas lang muna kami kasi ang lamig-lamig na sa loob. Hindi ko sure kung ano yung operating hours nila. Walang nakalagay. Naghahanap ako kung saan meron. Wala nakalagay. But it's past 9 na and they're still open. Yun, hindi pa nila close. So, it's nice for a light night na tambay. Ayun. If you want to hang out for a little bit. Ayun, naubos ko lang yung drink, tapos konting relax lang. Ayun. Overall, I am loving the place and the food. Ang sarap talaga nung shiitake truffle dip. Sobrang highly recommended sila. Tapos the pro nut talaga, babalikan ko rin. Sarap ng food sobra. The drink, it's good. But I think I wanna try their coffee next time. Ayun. Tsaka yung siguro pastries nila next time as well. Kasi dami kong tikman actually. Yun nga lang the price range. Medyo pricey. Medyo pricey lang din talaga. So yun. But it's definitely good na tambayan. Hindi masyadong matao. Yung mga, ayun. Yan, sa kabilang shop. Sabi ko hindi masyadong matao pero maingay. Hindi siya maingay sa loob actually. Sobrang chill. So ayun, I had to pause. Anyway, I had to pause for a little bit. But anyhow, ito talaga siya. Mas tahimik. Actually, dito sa labas, ang pa nga parang pwede kang mag silent time. Ayun. Sa loob, very cozy kasi syempre merong konting music. Tapos dito sa labas, yung hangin lang na ririnig mo, rustle ng leaves, yung mga dumadaang sasakyan. So, it's really nice. Ang pwedeng sobrang okay na pang quiet time. Ayun. Tapos, yun nga, the food, sobrang babalikan ko. Maulit ko na yung pointer ko na yun. Pero, yun, anyway, okay siya for, for quick tambay lang. Yun lang, dolls. Thank you for watching. If you're within the area, this is, Bread Basket. Kita ba yung name? Ayan. This is Bread Basket. Dito sa Vista Mall ng Dasma. Along Aguinaldo Highway lang siya. So, yun. Sobrang, ang ganda nitong lugar na to. Kasi nga, hindi siya, hindi crowded. Nasa likod siya banda ng mall. So, very, very hindi maingay yung mga dumadaan. Tapos, yun nga, ang chill lang. Yun, definitely be back for the food. It's really the food. I so love the food. Yun lang, dolls. Thank you for watching. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye, dolls.